Gurmeet Chaudhary and Debina Banerjee are in Kolkata with their entire family to celebrate their two daughters, Liana and Divisha's milestone. However, she also hosted her second daughter Divisha's rice eating ceremony. Debina Banerjee took to her social media handle and shared a few pictures of her second daughter Divisha's rice eating ceremony. In this picture, Divisha looks adorable as she is wearing a traditional outfit, sharing these beautiful glimpses of the ceremony. Debina wrote, "You guys will love the second picture more just like me." So here's a small glimpses and glam of the way me and mini me celebrate Divisha's rice eating ceremony, where all her mamas, my brother and cousin brothers came over and feed and bless her and Leo. My heart is full, feeling grateful as I am writing this caption for you all to read. Celebs such as Moni Roy, Delnas Irani and others have commented on Debina's post. Thanks for watching this video.